If it's so far,
It's my treat. My treat. My treat. Yeah. Because you need
I
it.
paid for dinner the other night.
oh yeah, I still owe you a bunch of money. She paid a heart attack bill. No, I
Ian
still,
bought his flight here.
yeah, you bought my flight here, so I do owe you a lot of
Let
money.
me get this one.
Guys, I got it.
I'm an Indian woman. You're gonna have to fight me to run to pretend to the bathroom to pay the bill. You ever been to dinner with an Asian person?
Yeah, he goes to
We
dinner
be
with me.
running. We be fighting
I'm
over
a
that.
Scottish man. I'll just throw
Technically,
a large rock at you.
That's fine. I'm German Italian.
Wait, you're too many things.
I'm German Italian, Irish, and Indian. I'm Ellis Island and Indian.
So you have no plan for going back. Are you driving?
No, I have no. My hotel ends tomorrow, and then I need to make a decision as to where I'm going. Because like I can find a place in Vegas for like $30 a night.
Yeah.
I can get a bus to California for $20. Yeah. I find a place in California for $20 a night. Or I can go back to Philly and then get back to it. So it's kind of like deciding exactly where I want to go. I've been on the road for like a month and a half, so yeah, I have another 12 hours. So
Dude, go to the Grand Canyon.
I've been. Yeah, I've been.
Okay, we'll go back inside. So go to the beaches. It's good.
No, because I was in Iowa for a month.
Have you been to Valley of Fire?
I don't know.
It's like a whole area around here. The only thing is like, you had a great victory.
Yeah.
Take your time before you put yourself back in the shoe.
Yeah. Well, I took like some time off after Iowa
Oh,
because I got out to LA and
Iowa's
and LA was still not movable compared to Iowa. Yeah, and it was nice to like be out. And I really all that because I'm kind of like I'm just
Oh, hell yeah.
wow. 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 Wow.
Okay, I didn't realize the food was like
Oh, it's super
gorgeous and tiny.
Wait, can we show each other?
Sprouts and had some mac and cheese.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You do it.
Bill, do you eat seafood?
I do.
Want a scallop?
More than anything, feed me. No, two. These are yours.
I had 4.
Wait, you already ate them?
Yes, look.
Savor them.
No.
sorry I didn't wait for you.
The Brussels sprouts are very good. Kind of spicy. I like it.
Did all you get is the Brussels sprouts?
Yeah.
Why?
What?
You're not getting food?
No, they might have meat ingredients, right? They said they had fish sauce, so they had to make sure that they.
By the way, y'all, my treat
Just
tonight.
mac and cheese.
Thank you, but no thank you. You got me.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
I will fuck you in this restaurant if I don't get this.
It's gonna be a good fight.